Coming over then and looking at GC this morning, and if I go to the hourly chart, thus far we've got this leading diagonal down to here, which was the 123.6 extension. The 3 hit the 1.0. The 2 came back and it's just pushed up slightly beyond it. Actually, the 2 would have to be here, but I'm looking for this to stay below 1220 and drop. If we take out 1220, then I would count this where I've got the 4 as the A wave. This is the B wave, and we're just in a C up to one of the higher fibs. 1228, I think, was the next fib up on the higher time frames before we roll back over in the 5th. So I'm still ultimately looking at lower. But the GDX looks to me, with the bounce that we saw yesterday, and if you look at the site charts for the HUI as well, which are absolutely picture perfect Fibonacci wise, that we've got an A of a 4 up in progress, and we should get a B, C to, I think it was 1940 area in the GDX before we roll over one more time. The 3 stocks that we entered in the miners portfolio the other week have all bounced quite nicely, and the one in particular, AGI, has just gone straight up since the moment we bought it. So that's looking rather good on the positioning there. Okay, day trading wise, let's take a look. Excuse me, I need to. Sorry, let's look at the day trading chart for GC. All it's done is spike the orange line, so I'm looking for this to reverse here, ideally, in GC, but keeping a close eye on it. That again, micro-wise, the metals can be difficult, but the larger pattern says that we're 4 and then 5th down still to come, and I think the 5th down should already be in progress in GC.